In this video, I am going to show you how to insert Sigma symbol in Microsoft Word. I will show you three methods. First method, go to Insert tab, then click on Symbol. Here you will find more symbol option. Just click on it. From subset, you have to choose Greek and Coptic. Then you have to scroll up a little bit. Here you will find the capital Sigma option. See, Greek capital letter Sigma, and its character code is 03A3. Here you will find the small sigma letter, Greek small letter Sigma. If you want to insert it, just select the Sigma letter and click on Insert, and select the small sigma letter, click on Insert. Number 2 method is keyboard shortcut. You have to write 03A3, then press Alt X. See, it is capital Sigma letter. If you want to write small sigma letter, you have to write 03C3, then press Alt X. See, it is a small sigma letter. Method number 3 is equation editor. In Insert tab, you will find equation. Click on Insert new equation, or the shortcut is Alt equal. Then write \sigma and press space. See the sigma letter. If you want to write the capital Sigma letter, you have to write \sigma and press space. In mathematics, we use capital Sigma letter for summation and small sigma letter for standard deviation. By following this easy 3 steps, you can write sigma in your Microsoft Word.